Ultramobile allows you to transfer your unused minutes, data, or plan add-ons to another Ultramobile account using a transfer PIN. There are two main ways to get this PIN: via text message or through your Ultramobile account, either on the website or via the app. To get the PIN via text message, send the word PIN to 78247. You should receive the PIN instantly, assuming your account is eligible. Alternatively, log into your Ultramobile account on their website or app, navigate to the Transfer or Manage Accounts section, and select Get Transfer PIN. The PIN will be generated immediately and displayed on your screen. Remember, in both cases, you might need to verify your account details, like the last four digits of your SSN or your account PIN for security purposes. It's crucial to note that the transfer PIN you receive from Ultramobile is not valid indefinitely. These PINs expire 7 days after they are issued. If you don't use it within that time frame, you'll need to request a new one. When you do transfer your resources, the transferred minutes, data, plan add-ons retain their original expiration date if that date is sooner than the 7-day PIN expiration. Also, keep in mind that transfers are only possible between Ultramobile accounts. You can't transfer to other carriers. While there are no fees for transferring, daily limits may apply. Make sure to use your PIN promptly to avoid expiration and ensure your resources are transferred successfully.